The holidays are here, and it's the perfect time to shine. Not just with your outfit, but with a radiant smile. Whether it's a family gathering, a group photo, or a festive party, your smile is one of the first things people notice. A bright white smile not only enhances your appearance, but also boosts your confidence, letting you enjoy every moment to the fullest. Want to showcase a flawless smile in no time? Don't worry. From professional treatments to convenient at-home options, there's a solution for every lifestyle. If you're looking for fast and effective results, professional in-office whitening is your go-to option. Performed by a dentist, this treatment can brighten your teeth by several shades in just one session. Benefits: immediate and visible results. Performed under professional supervision, ensuring safety. How does it work? The dentist applies hydrogen peroxide to your teeth, sometimes enhanced with a special light for better results. If you're short on time and need dramatic results, this option is perfect. For those who prefer the comfort of home, at-home whitening treatments are an excellent alternative. Your dentist creates trays tailored to your teeth and provides a whitening gel. While it takes longer to see results, the process is simple and effective. Easy to use and widely available, these products show noticeable results in weeks. Just follow the instructions for safe and lasting effects. Remember to always follow your dentist's guidance or the product instructions to avoid sensitivity or enamel damage. To maintain a bright smile during the holidays, keep these tips in mind. Use whitening products as directed to prevent sensitivity or other side effects. Limit foods and drinks like coffee, tea, and red wine, which can stain your teeth. Stay hydrated to prevent stains from setting on dry teeth. These simple habits will help your smile shine throughout the festive season. Prefer natural methods? Here are a few you can try. Baking soda. Mix it with water to create a paste and brush gently once or twice a week. Oil pullings, which are coconut or sesame oil in your mouth for 15 minutes. While subtle in whitening, it's a great addition to your oral care routine. Fruits like apples and strawberries. Apples scrub away plaque, and strawberries contain malic acid to prevent stains. These methods are excellent complements to professional treatments, but they shouldn't replace them for long-term results. Beyond whitening treatments, maintaining healthy habits is essential for a bright smile. Drink water after consuming stain-prone foods to rinse away particles. Don't forget to schedule regular dental cleanings to remove surface stains. These small adjustments can make a big difference, ensuring your smile looks its best for every photo and event. The holiday season is the perfect time to shine with confidence. Whether you opt for professional treatments, at-home solutions, or natural methods, there's an option to fit your needs. Don't let stains hold you back. Invest in your smile now and make every photo and every festive moment unforgettable. This year, let your smile light up the holidays like never before.